like where all the old iron is. K100. Can anybody tell me, if you know trucks, what that cab is? Hey babe, do me a favor. Walk over here and what's the name of this truck? Brockway, but what's the name of it? I see the name right here.
Michael Misterka?
Nope.
Alley? Oh, Alley.
It's an alley. There you go. Let me see. Wait. Alley Brockway. That's your new name. Alley Brockway.
Oh,
Screaming Mimi.
sorry.
Oh, that's great. Babe, I always say Screaming Mimi? That's it. Oh, no, this is a truck here.
They roll out.
Alley over there. Yeah, maybe it's dedicated. You're right. Look at this super puppy right here, guys. Look at the color. That color just pops. Looks like it's an early liner with the single round headlights. Yeah, some old iron. Here's the old auto cars.